Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions just to show me.
Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to give away some of my wigs. Like, this video is long overdue. I was supposed to make this giveaway video the second or third week of October, but now we're already in November. Yeah, so I'll be giving away 3 wigs to one person. You just have to choose, you have to choose 2 wigs, but then one it was voted for, so I'll also have to add that one to the giveaway. So if you don't like it, guys, I don't know what you're going to do with that wig, but it was voted for, so I'll also add that to, you know, the person who's going to win the 2 wigs. So you have to choose 2 wigs that you like from today's video, from the wig that I'm going to show you today. There are 3 wigs that I haven't shared before, so I'm going to try the 3 wigs on, and then I'll put some clips from my previous video on the wigs that you have to choose from, or photos. Yeah, so you just have to choose the ones that you like. So of course there are terms and conditions applied. I'll put the terms in the description box down below, so make sure you check the description box down below. And just to mention a few of them is, you must be subscribed to this channel, so make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the post notification, so that, you know, every time I post a video you get the notification. And then I also have another channel, it's called Sharonwani's Vlogs. I'll put a link up here. Make sure guys you subscribe to that channel as well, and then just comment down below the reason why you deserve to win this week. You don't have to play for yourself, maybe for your mom, for your aunt, for your cousin. It's because I know some of my clients who buy my wigs, but they don't buy it for themselves, they buy for their mom, for their aunt, for their friends. So if you want to participate this on behalf of your mom, your aunt, just comment below why you think your mom should win this week, or your aunt should win this week. And then also comment the country that you are from. And then it doesn't matter, like, if you're from an island, if you're from a desert, like, it doesn't matter. I'll ship these wigs to you, because like this tells me like you're watching me from, you know, from where you are from. Like, it doesn't matter, I'll ship this wig to you. Yes, and you'll get the 3 of them. And then if you don't want to participate in this giveaway but you want the wigs, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below or in the description box, so you can contact me and I will make and ship it to you. If you're the winner of this giveaway, I'll be announcing the winner on my YouTube stories, YouTube post and Instagram stories. So you have to claim the wig within 24 hours. If you don't claim it, I'll have to choose the next person. Yeah, okay. So guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for buying my wigs, and I really appreciate, like, this giveaway is just to appreciate you guys for, you know, your support. Thank you so much guys. I really love you. I really appreciate you guys. Okay, so let me just try them on, and guys, just pick your own, pick the one that you like, pick the one that is your favorite. Yeah,
I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Darkest memories now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. We can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. emotions. Yeah.
So guys, I lost some clips of me trying wig number 2 and wig number 3, but this wig number 2 is just the same as the one on the intro, and also number 3, the only difference is just the color, but you can refer to the wig on the intro.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. Every time white lies paralyzed, sweet as poison, fell ill from your kiss. I got drunk off your demons, one sipping I'm lovesick, built a home turned to ruins. Followed you into the night, couldn't let you leave, watch you leave. Oh, nothing left, come to life. Come take they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say